Hey, Grimlock.
Yes, we go.
Transform.
It's extinction time.
That's amazing! That was so complicated. The formal name for this monstrosity is the Transformers Grimlock Auto-Converting Robot, the flagship collector's edition. The makers of this, Robosen, they did it in partnership with Hasbro to get it just right. And they say this is the first dual bipedal walking robot, because it's bipedal as a dino and as a robot. Hey, Grimlock.
Yes, we go.
Save Cybertron.
Grimlock save universe.
Let's talk about what makes Grimlock tick. There are 34 high-precision intelligent servo motors inside, along with 85 microchips. And there's a whole system here, keeping it constantly in balance. So when the weight shifts, it also shifts to not fall down. Let's talk about the voice. Hey, Grimlock.
Yes, we go.
Yeah, he can say 150 different things. And there's 42 different voice commands that you can give. So the voice is done by Greg Berger. He was the original voice of Grimlock, and he recorded all these lines for the robot. Yeah, I played with Optimus Prime, and I gotta say, just a little bit of time with this guy. Hey, Grimlock.
Yes, we go.
You blow Optimus Prime away.
Optimus Prime, can you forgive? Me, Grimlock, jealous of you.
Don't be jealous, Grimlock. You're so much more impressive. And Robosen backs that up by saying it is the most advanced robot they have made yet. No joke, to be able to shift your weight and transform like this, incredibly impressive.
Dinobots, follow me, Grimlock.
Let's talk about everything you can do inside the app, because it is Bluetooth controlled. And when you boot up the app and connect with Bluetooth, it lets you do a little rock out with the original Transformer song.
Grimlock, Bluetooth connection successful.
What'd you say? So now he's not going to answer to my voice commands because I am in this mode here. Once you're connected by Bluetooth, everything is controlled by the app. Oh, you can take a little camera, you can play a little bit. See, here you can see what animation happens when he's in Dinobot mode and what animation needs to be in robot action mode. So enjoy a meal. How fun is that? I gotta get a toy for him to eat. And it wouldn't be a boy's toy without a little bit of this. Thank you for making that. There's also remote control mode. I just love how they designed this little app here. And you can shimmy him a little forward, a little left, a little right. Let's do a little dance, baby.
Dinobots, roar! Grimlock hero! Grimlock hero! Grimlock hero!
Grimlock hero! I am so impressed at everything that's going on to make him walk. There are flaps on the side that are moving. This is not just... The animation here is clearly complex. Robosen says that they spent 3 years developing him. Yeah, I can see why. And then, of course, there are ways to program. There's either manual programming or block-based programming. This works in both Dinobot and robot mode. You just have to select which mode it starts in first. You want to be programming as a robot first, as a Dinobot first. We'll stay Dinobot.
Grimlock feel important.
Oh, you are important. Yeah, you are important, baby. Lots of kids are going to learn to program from you. This is supposed to be the original design, if you're unfamiliar with Grimlock, from the cartoon. He is just a lot of components. There's his dino head, his T-Rex head. Wow.
I am Dino Mighty.
So fans can see it in person for the first time at San Diego Comic-Con going on now, and the pre-orders have opened up now until September 30th. And you can buy it on Robosen's website or the Hasbro Pulse website. And he's getting geared up because I'm about to say how much you cost. He's $1,499. Yes. Pricey, but impressive. Yeah, $1,500 is a lot of money, way more than Optimus Prime. Hopefully they can get that price down in time, but now you know what you're getting if you're shelling out that kind of cash. Grimlock is an amazing character because he is the ultimate boy toy. He has everything that is pure boy about him. Robots, dinosaurs, fire-breathing attack, and saving, being a hero. Just, yeah, inject it straight into your little boy veins because that's what Grimlock is. He is the pure boy joy. And so I have to, of course, show him to my own little boy and see what happens.
Meet Grimlock stronger. Meet Grimlock must bleed.
Hey, Grandma.
Yes, go.
Transform.
I am Dino Mighty.
I've been wondering what the next Transformer from this company was going to be because, first off, like, how could you outdo Optimus Prime? Surely it would be something, a smaller friend, like a Bumblebee. No, they outdid it. They outdid the Optimus Prime. Grimlock,
Yes, we go.
you deserve your crown.
Yes. Dinobots, follow me, Grimlock.
Robosen keeps surprising us every year with something interesting and new, so we'll just have to see what's next, but they surprised me today. It gives me hope for the future, really, really it does. Is this the best toy ever? Absolutely. If you're gonna pick one up, let us know in the comments, and let me know what you think about all his animations. If you're a super Grimlock fan, I wanna hear from you too, because there's probably some things you picked up on that I missed. Me, Bridget Carey, him, Grimlock, hey Grimlock.
Yes, we go.
Show the people what happens when they don't like and subscribe. Flame out.
Me, Grimlock, melt you.